Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today, from Standard 6 English Medium, Unit 9 Desert Animals. I have told you the story in English and Hindi. I hope you understand about it. Now, comes to the multiple choice question MCQ. Okay? Now, see the first MCQ of the Unit 9. Deserts have generally what? Very little rainfall, much rainfall, no rainfall, normal rainfall. So deserts have generally only very little rainfall. What? Very little rainfall. Now comes to number second. The desert's animals have learned to survive. The desert animals have learned to survive what? Without water, with very little water, on sand alone, with nothing at all. Those who lives in desert, those animals have learned to survive with very little water. They have only much, means the little water in the desert. Okay? And they have learned to survive with it, means with very little water. Now comes to number third. Living in the deserts is what? Safe, easy, difficult, or unhappy. So living in the desert we have find a very little water, very little rainfall, and no food. So it is very difficult to live in the desert. So C is the correct answer. Now MCQ number 4. To avoid the heat, some animals live. To avoid the heat from the sun rays, some animals live under the trees, in the pond, in houses, in underground burrows. So, to avoid the heat, some animals have to live in where? In underground burrows, because in deserts there are no trees, no pond, and no houses. So, they live in where? They live in underground burrows. Some animals lives. Now, number 5. Coping with means, the word coping means with the same as what? Living in, fighting with, being comfortable with, or dealing with. So coping with means the word dealing with, the same as the word dealing with. Okay, so next MCQs. Here see, the passage is about, means this chapter's passage, here given the passage. This passage is about what? Cobra, rattlesnake, mongoose, a water snake. See, this passage feels threatened, it will coil ready to bite or rattle. What? Rattle. So this passage is about what? Rattlesnake. Now comes to number 2. The rattler. Now comes to the rattler. The rattler, option A, avoids people, hunts people, bites without reason, or attacks when threatened. So the rattlesnake, the rattler means the rattlesnake. Rattler itself cannot hear the noise its own tail makes. The snake hears things through vibration in the ground. If person walks nearby, the snakes can feel in the movement. But if the same person were to shout, it would not hear a thing. Means it feels threatened. When threatened, it will coil, ready to bite. Means ready to bite. When the rattle feels what? Threatened. So what? The rattler attacks when he was threatened. So D is the correct answer. Then next, the noise made by the tail is heard. The noise, rattlesnake's tail's noise, is heard only by the snake, only by the intruder, by every creature nearby and by none. So the rattlesnake's tail's noise heard by what? Heard by every creature nearby. Those who passed by through this rattlesnake, they can hear the noise of the rattlesnake's tail. Okay. Now number 4. The snake described here is found in where? Which place? Which country? India, China, Bangladesh or America? So generally rattlesnake is from what? Is from America. Rattlesnakes from America. So here talked about which country? America. Okay. Now number 5, the noun form of ignored. Ignore means ignore, the same verb. Ignorant, ignominy and ignorance. Okay. So the noun form of the word ignored, D is the correct answer. Ignorance is the noun form. Then next. Now see, mongoose hunt. Mongoose hunt alone, in groups, in twos, in threes. So mongoose live in groups, and whenever they see, means they see their prey, they hunt in groups. So B is the correct answer. In groups. Number 2, even while hunting, they are afraid of. Even while hunting, the mongoose are afraid of what? Being hunted, the snakes, the weather, man. While hunting the prey, they also afraid of what? Being hunted. They also want being hunted by their prey. So always they afraid of being hunted. A is the correct answer. Now number 3. Watching the mongoose while hunting is, when the mongoose are hunting, watching the mongoose, what happen? Dangerous, horrible, pitiable, a pleasure. While means watching the mongoose while hunting, it was a pleasure. It was a pleasure for us. Number 4. Mongoose generally hunt snakes, cats, insects, rats. So mongoose generally hunt what? Generally hunts the insects, not snakes. Sometimes snakes, sometimes some other insects, but most often they hunt what? Insects. Number 5, the word look out. What? The word here given, look out. Look out means what? The same as look for, outlook, watchful or watch. So look means to see. So to look means to see. So look out means to watch, means here watch. Then next MCQs. Mongoose are famous for being harmless, killing insects, killing snakes, living in deserts. So we heard about mongoose are famous for what? Killing what? Killing the snakes. If snakes are nearby the mongoose attract that snakes and kill them. Okay, so killing snakes, mongoose are famous for. Number 2, they are able to kill snakes. Means who? Mongoose are able to kill snakes because what is the reason? Reason is here. They are more poisonous. They are stronger. They react very quickly. Snakes fear them. So whenever snakes attack on mongoose is very fast and they react very quickly. So when snakes got tired, mongoose attacked the snakes and killed him. Okay, so they react very quickly. Now number 3, in a fight between a snake and a mongoose, The mongoose. When we see the fight between whom? Between these two, mongoose and the snake. The mongoose, what did the mongoose do? Is the first to attack, wants to run away, hides behind a bush, lets the snake attack first. So what did the mongoose do? Mongoose lets the snake attack first. So snakes got tired, and when he was tired, the mongoose attacked at that time and killed him. Okay, so D is the correct answer. Now number 4. The mongoose wins the battle by. The mongoose wins the battle by the means of poison, its strength, the help of its paws, tiring the snakes. So I already said, when the snake was tired, the mongoose attacked him and killed him. So D is the correct answer. Now number 5. The adjective form of quickly is, so quick, quickness, quickliness and quiet. So the adjective form of quickly is quick attack. So quick is the adjective of the word quickly. So friends, these are the MCQs of Unit 9. I hope you understand about this MCQ. Okay, and I have discussed the more MCQs of this unit in next class. Thank you.